Our customer, Odisee, part of the KU Leuven Association, is a university of applied sciences with 6 campuses across Belgium. They're known for their strong focus on personal guidance, hands-on research, and international cooperation. Odisee's IT department manages a sizable identity landscape, roughly 30,000 identities and another 30,000 groups, all operating within a hybrid cloud environment. Odisee's identity and access management architecture had grown quite complex over the years. New processes and systems were added gradually, which meant that a lot of pre-processing and exception handling was needed to keep the identity data consistent and usable. On top of that, Odisee also had to incorporate new and evolving EIM process flows coming from the broader KU Leuven Association, adding another layer of complexity. Another challenge was speed, improving time to provision and ensuring that identity data synchronized quickly and reliably were key priorities. These were the main areas we focused on: simplifying their landscape, reducing unnecessary processing, and helping them move towards a more efficient and future-proof EGA setup. The customer was referred to MidPoint by Partner School and expressed interest in assessing the solution once they learned that ACEN is an official Evolveum partner. At that point, we were already helping Odisee evaluate what their next generation EGA platform should look like. Our assessment focused on technical requirements and on comparing how different EGA solutions aligned with those needs. Through that analysis, MidPoint quickly stood out. Its live synchronization capabilities and its ability to connect multiple Active Directory resources to a single identity made it the best match for Odisee's technical landscape. Odisee has been using Microsoft Identity Manager, or MIM, for many years. Their setup relied on a very traditional provisioning model, where most of the identity data and logic lived in a central database. MIM would read that database and then provision accounts in multiple systems. MidPoint has really helped streamline and modernize Odisee's identity and access management processes. One of the biggest improvements is the introduction of live synchronization. Instead of waiting for scheduled synchronization cycles to run, changes are now processed in real time, allowing new accounts and updates to be provisioned almost instantly.